Tenzin Kunsel was born in a Tibetan refugee camp in southern India. Now age 15, Tenzin has been performing since she was 5 years old. Since arriving in New York in 2003 at the age of 8, she has regularly performed in various fundraising events organized by New York's Tibetan organizations, including in the presence of His Holiness the Dalai Lama and His Holiness the Gyalwa Karmapa. She has traveled and performed extensively in the United States and Europe at the invitation of various organizations. Tonight, Tenzin is accompanied by her teacher, Tenzin Wangyal, Tenzin Kunsel, and Tenzin Naden.
Hello, good evening. As you thank Tibet, I, on the other hand, would like to thank you all for your support for the last 50 years. And for the last 50 years, my parents and my grandparents have taught me so much about the culture because I wasn't there for the last 50 years. So I would like to thank you all for your support once again. And on behalf of my Tibetan family, I would like to thank you. And this first song is Nangma.